For some years now, I've been shuttling between two cities, and one of the cities is Mumbai. And when I first moved to Mumbai, I was given to understand that I lived in town, as they call the southernmost precinct of Mumbai. So, other than housing the primary business districts, heritage buildings in Art Deco and Victorian styles, upmarket housing societies, popular beaches, South Mumbai is also home to some ancient temples. And these temples are dedicated to different deities and have been built using diverse styles of architecture. But they all serve the purpose of welcoming a devotee and giving them the much needed succor. So, this video attempts to bring you some of them, and perhaps I'm going to do a series of small videos describing each temple separately. So, I'm Sangeeta Venkatesh, and a very warm namaste. And if it is your first time on this channel, please do explore it and leave me a feedback, and also please do subscribe. So, in the South Mumbai series of temples, the first temple I'd like to describe is the Lord Balaji Venkateshwara temple at Fanaswadi. And this temple is a favorite. And if I go there, I usually like to go there as early as about at least by 9 a.m. to witness all the Kainkaryam, which means service to God, Guru, and their devotees, the procedures of which was laid down by the 12th century Guru Swami Ramanujacharya. Now, this temple is located in Fanaswadi, one of the several wadis or localities in Girgaon. Now, Fanas means jackfruit in Marathi, and perhaps the locality had a lot of jackfruits trees at some point of time, but it's rare to find it now. And it was built in 1927 and is also known as Little Tirupati. And if you are unfamiliar with the streets like I am, do use the GPS to navigate through the crowded streets of Kalba Devi, or you could ask anyone on the road. They will direct you. And once you reach the temple, it is a unique spiritual experience. Now, according to the priests or Vadyars who follow the Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, this temple is the oldest replica of the temple at Tirumala. The temple is built in the typical Dravidian architectural style with an impressive gopuram and a grand Bhajastambam, that is the flagstaff. The temple was consecrated on 10th of June 1927, and one of the idols of main idol of Lord Vishnu was brought from the Yedotkari Perumal temple or Tiruvekka, one of the 108 Divya Desams located in Kanchipuram. The Chakra Talwar, as the Sudarshana Chakra is known, was brought from Tirunangur. So that Chakra Talwar Vigraham is kept in one of the sannidhis adjacent to the main sannidhi. So now Tirunangur is in Tamil Nadu, which is another hub of Divya Desams. So now both were brought on foot in the 1920s with special prayers during the journey. So the outer praharam of the temple at Fanaswadi has a sannidhi for Sri Ranganatha, Mahalakshmi, and Sri Ramanujacharya. The walls have beautiful paintings of all the Divya Desams, which are stunning, and the Dashavatars, as well as the story of the Lord of the Seven Hills, Lord Venkateshwara. The chapters from the Bhagavad Gita are also inscribed on the wall. Now, this temple also has a family connection because my mother-in-law's father had moved to Mumbai from Tamil Nadu in the 1920s, seeking greener pastures, and was working in the shipping industry. And he was one of the early trustees of this temple in those days, and hence it has a special place in our family, this temple. So the timings are from 5:40 a.m. The temple opens at 5:40 a.m. for all the Kainkaryams which have to go through the day, and it closes at 11:30 p.m. a.m. And in the evening it is open from 4 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And in the weekends it's open for a little longer time in the morning, that is about from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. And you can reach this place through any of the nearby stations such as the Church Gate, Marine Lines, Charni Road, etc. And I will see you in the next video where we will describe another temple in South Mumbai. So do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Namaste.